I'm going to show you my visit yesterday to the Dreamatorium in Ruthin, and then I'm going to show you what I bought, and then I'm going to finish with a few photos. So I hope you enjoy. So I've been to Lavinia Stamps at the Dreamatorium. Here we go. So that's the workshops we're in today. I'm going to go in.
Yeah, on your shoulder.
Say hi. I am in sensory overload because there's too much to see. It smells really good in here too. Oh wow.
That's fair. We haven't got there yet.
So there's somebody out there. You can't, the shop can't.
No, I mean, we do some a lot of stuff online. The initial cost of getting you did use a click. Well, you can take telephone numbers as well.
Well, actually, let me see. I might be able to just pop it down.
This is the nice smell.
So they'll have a look, they'll make a note, follow up, they always sometimes work.
Better than cider, actually.
Are you going to watch the demos?
Do you know where I might be with him?
I see Tracey. There's just, oh, wow. So much.
What? When you were in the
Oh yes, yeah. And it's good to have it as a sort of dedicated shop, you know, whereas it's just a room on the side of our, so, you know, this you get a lot
people seeing them, whereas I think it's fine.
So you're from New Zealand?
I am.
Right, it's a long way to come. Did you travel this morning?
Yes, of course. I've been over in England for about 9 months, helping out with Mum,
Right.
and it's taken me this long to get here.
Oh, right, okay.
But I've come via Welsh Pool, so.
Okay, right. You staying over or?
Now I go back to Herefordshire this afternoon,
Okay.
but I've stayed over last night.
Oh, did you? Right.
So I've come from Welsh Pool this morning.
Right.
So yeah, I'm pretty tired.
Right.
Had a late night with a friend yesterday.
Right.
So yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, the demonstrators are starting, I think they're
Right.
about to start any time.
I should be going that way. I shall turn this off for those though.
The happy things film.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. There's just so much to see. Sorry.
To be fair, we had quite a busy day yesterday,
Okay, yeah,
sales wise.
yeah. Dental brush 7
7,
as well.
Where will I find the demonstrations?
Straight through there,
In there.
round the corner here, up
Okay.
to the top.
Lovely.
Find yourself a seat with whoever you want to
Okay.
watch first. It might be a case of where you can get a seat.
Okay.
Tracy's about to start demonstrating, so
Lovely. Lovely. Thank you.
you okay?
Yes, thank you.
Good.
It's the first time I've been to the Dreamatorium.
Oh, welcome.
I've been to the wedding.
I bought myself one of these guillotines. I've always wanted one of these, and they're actually a really good price, so that was cool. I went to the first birthday celebrations, which was amazing, and I got to meet Tracey, who is the owner and artist who has produced Lavinia stamps forever. I actually invested in a Posca pen, which is a glitter one. So this is going to be used for highlights. And I also invested in the tuxedo black that they use for the stamps, because what you do is you make a messy background, or you stamp black and then become an artist. So anyway, so I'm going to show you all the stamps I bought. I did an unbudgeted spend, and I'm going to need to go through lots of my binders at the end of the month to take it back, because I spent my pension money and everything's falling over because I'm about to film all my videos for the weekend. So I thought I'd do this first. So I'm going to pull up a chair. So I've never invested in really good brushes. So these are for blending, and they are going to be producing a smaller one of this. So I've got Lavinia brushes. So I've got a size 3, size 7, 2 of those, and a size 9. So these will be coming home to New Zealand with me. So I need another pencil case. So what I'm going to do is take my bag and put things back as I go. I'm also invested in some beautiful paintbrushes. Yeah, don't look at the price. And I've got lots of these at home, but I just wanted one for using now. So this is when you do the backgrounds, you can put this in the water and do dottage. So what did we get? So yes, this weekend they've had a launch, and I got the launch pack, which has 13 stamps in it, and I got 10% off for buying them all together. And when I put the video up, you'll be able to see what they make with them. So love mushrooms. You know I love mushrooms. Look, mushrooms. Mushrooms everywhere, see? Mushrooms. I love mushrooms, and everything's just fallen over. I think my binders are actually all upside down. So you've got mushrooms, you've got some words, believe, friendship, shine bright, and you've got this, more mushrooms. We've got a little tree stump. We've got 2 hares, which I love. We've got a tree. I bought another tree to go with this, and it's like a weeping willow, so it's got the little willow. These have all got names, by the way. This is the new bear. Somebody's made this into a polar bear, which looks amazing. And his name is, he's got a name. Ashrin. This is Ashrin. Got a little welcome sign. Got some more foliage. Got a little fairy. They're well known for their fairies. And then we've got a wishing well. So that was what was released over this weekend and over the week. So they've got a special birthday events, and all the artists that do all the samples and get to play with these before they're released, and Tracey were all there doing their design. So on the video, hopefully, you'll be able to see some of that. So noisy. And then, because I didn't have enough, I then bought some more. So I bought some witches, which I've always loved the witches. Bring them up. There you go. We then bought a snail with a, let's show you, we bought another hare because he's a different size. So it gives me a bit of perspective. There's my other tree. I just loved it. It's more fine details. We've got some corus. There's the ferns, but we call these the koru fern in New Zealand. Bit of home. So I wasn't going to buy the owl, who is called Gus. So this is Gus. Say hello to Gus. And my friend Marie has Gus, and I've played with Gus before. And I wasn't going to buy him, and because I went back after lunch, Gus just said, "Don't leave me here." So I bought Gus. I bought magpies. I've just always been a fan of magpies. I know that they are very territorial, and when you've got a magpie pair, you don't get anything else, but I don't know, they look really cool. A path, because you need a path for any good scene. Some books. Again, this was this was after I purchased everything else. And because of the books, I saw a picture on the wall, a cat was sitting on top of the books. So I had to have the cat and the books. Mum wanted the birds because you always need some birds in your scenes. I got some little toadstools to go with the other ones. I think they're toadstools, mushrooms. These are mushrooms. And then I bought the snail first, and then I found his home. So what can you do? So that was all my purchase, and that came to £248.94, basically £250. See you later. Bye for now.